In a land where the mountains were the oldest, tallest, and wisest, lived a hawk named Skar. Skar was not an ordinary hawk. He was the swiftest and the most agile among his kin. Yet, he felt a yearning in his heart, a yearning to touch the sky, to be as old and as wise as the mountains. One day, Skar spotted a mountain peak he had never seen before, towering above the others, its peak shrouded in mist. Intrigued, he decided to soar towards it, leaving his nest in the familiar valleys behind. The journey was long and arduous. Skar faced storms, battled winds, and navigated through dense fog. But his determination did not waver. He knew that he was on a quest to uncover a wisdom that could help him touch the sky. As he neared the mountain peak, Skar felt a strange sensation. The air felt different, the wind carried a strange melody, and the fog seemed to part ways, revealing the peak. On the peak stood an ancient-looking hawk, with feathers as white as snow and eyes as clear as the deepest blue sea. "Who are you, young one?" asked the ancient hawk. "I am Skar, the swiftest among my kin." "I have traveled far to seek wisdom," replied Skar. The ancient hawk smiled. "Your journey is an admirable one, Skar. But wisdom is not something you can touch or climb. It is something you must find within yourself." Confused, Skar asked, "Then, how can I find it?" The ancient hawk looked at Skar with compassion in his eyes. "Look around you, Skar. The mountains have been here longer than you. They have endured storms, battles, and time. They have weathered the harshest of conditions, yet they stand tall and unwavering. They have wisdom in their hearts, and you, young hawk, have the potential to be as wise as they are." Skar looked at the mountains with new eyes. He realized that he had been seeking wisdom outside himself, when it was within him all along. He learned that the key to wisdom was not to climb the mountains, but to learn from them. With a newfound understanding, Skar returned to his nest, no longer yearning to touch the sky, but to be as old and as wise as the mountains. He realized that wisdom was not a destination, but a journey of self-discovery and learning. And so, Skar soared above the mountains, not as the swiftest, but as the wisest, carrying the wisdom of the mountains in his heart.